Bandit9 Supermarine, a breathtaking fusion of art and engineering. The Vietnamese team behind this masterpiece describes it as a world-class museum-grade motorcycle. Crafted with a frame made from 7075 aluminum, a material widely used in the aerospace industry, it exudes sophistication. Inspired by the elegance of stingrays and the intricate beauty of coral reefs, the design of the Supermarine is truly extraordinary. Every detail is meticulously manufactured with precision, measured in micrometers. You have the option to choose between two engines, delivering either 74 or 103 horsepower, enabling a top speed of up to 200 km per hour. As one review aptly stated, if you've ever fantasized about gliding through your city at night, resembling a mythical sea creature, this motorcycle is the perfect choice for you. However, this level of craftsmanship comes with a price. The estimated starting price, as mentioned in the review, is $30,000. Immerse yourself in the world of this mythical machine and experience unparalleled elegance and performance on the road. Enter the world of snowmobiling with the Hypersports HRC-4. When it comes to horsepower, the production model Yamaha Sidewinder already boasts an impressive 180 horsepower. However, for those seeking even more power, customizations can push the limits to 2 or even 3 times the original power. During a test run on grass, this snowmobile effortlessly reached 248 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds, with the engine's full power, capable of producing up to 1026 horsepower, yet untapped. Even with 786 horsepower in this specific test, users were left in awe of how the track handled such immense power. Driving these monstrous snowmobiles is akin to piloting the legendary Group B rally cars, renowned for their insanely powerful engines. Brace yourself for an adrenaline-fueled adventure like no other on the Hypersports HRC-4. Quanta R, a powerful quad bike featuring a robust 2.5-liter Subaru engine. Get ready to experience the thrill of the Quanta R, inspired by adrenaline-pumping racing films. Equipped with methanol injection and offering 5 engine power options ranging from 350 to 600 horsepower, this remarkable machine accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in a mere 3 seconds. With a top speed of 200 km per hour, imagine the astonished expressions on fellow motorists as you effortlessly zip past them. Enthusiasts have already drawn comparisons to a vehicle straight out of Batman's lair, and it's easy to see why. The Quanta R boasts all-wheel drive and a sleek design, making it the ultimate choice for action-seeking individuals. Simply add your own selection of gadgets and weapons, and you'll be ready to embark on heroic adventures. RYNO, a game-changing solution for urban transportation that aims to save you valuable time. In 2011, U.S. residents collectively spent a staggering 5.5 billion hours stuck in traffic. Similarly, Sao Paulo, Brazil once witnessed a mind-boggling 309-kilometer rush-hour traffic jam. While helicopter taxis gained popularity in Sao Paulo, there's now an even more affordable alternative for efficient travel, the RYNO. Weighing just 118 kilograms, this innovative one-wheeler can cover up to 24 kilometers on a single charge, reaching speeds of 16 kilometers per hour. The RYNO boldly claims to be the most efficient self-contained electric-powered transportation device ever built. Operating the RYNO is a breeze. Tilt forward to accelerate, tilt back to brake, and use the handbrake for parking. With a price tag of only $3,000, the RYNO offers a cost-effective solution for convenient urban commuting. Say goodbye to traffic frustrations and hello to a smarter way of getting around. Ryse RECON, an extraordinary aerial solution poised to transform the world of farming and land inspection. Imagine the daunting task of surveying a vast 170-hectare farm, equivalent to 238 soccer fields. To simplify the lives of farmers, ranchers, and landowners, a local company has developed this cutting-edge flying machine. The Ryse RECON effortlessly takes off and lands vertically, adapting seamlessly to both land and water surfaces. With a remarkable top speed of 101 km per hour and a flight time of 25 minutes, it can carry an impressive payload of up to 113 kilograms. What truly sets it apart is its accessibility. Thanks to US regulations, anyone can operate the Ryse RECON without the need for a pilot's license or specialized training. The company envisions its wide range of applications, from search and rescue missions to cargo transportation and even tourism. Excitingly, pre-orders for the Ryse RECON are now open, with anticipated deliveries by year-end at an estimated price of $150,000.